this video, I'll show you how you can create a progress bar using Notion. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. We're gonna go to Notion and then you're gonna select the page where you wanna add your progress bar. If you don't have a page yet, just go ahead and create a new one. You can give your page a title, add an icon, and just kind of make it your own. Once you have your page ready, the next thing that we have to do is to create a database. Doing that is very simple. All we have to do is to type in dash and then database. You can pick whichever database you want. Today, I'm going to go with the first one, which is going to be database inline. So for this example, let's say I want to create a progress bar to follow up on my reading progress for the year. So what I could do is for the first column, I'm going to follow up with the book. So I'm going to put, let's say, book name, and that's what I'm going to use the first column for. Now you're going to create a new property by clicking on the plus icon, and you're going to search for number. So in this column, I'm going to be tracking the number of pages that my book has. So I'm going to give this property a name, and I'm going to name it something like pages. And here I'm going to select for Notion to show it as a number. So go ahead and click that. Now I'm going to add a new property, and then I'm also going to look for a number. And now in the second column, what I'm going to track is my bookmark. So where in the book I'm at the moment. So I'm just going to go ahead and give the property a name, and I'm going to choose number. So our next step is to create the formula that's going to give us our progress bar. And to do that, we need to create a new property, and you're going to search for something called formula. Now, as you can see, this has created a new column for me, and this is where we're going to see our progress bar. Now, what you have to do is click right here where it says edit formula. So in this case, this will be our formula. So it would be bookmark, select that, divided by the number of pages in the book. Then you click on save. And now right here at the bottom, you can choose for Notion to show this as a progress bar. Now here you can select the color that you want. And then right here where it says number format, you're going to select that and you're going to choose percentage. Now that you have the formula ready, you're going to go ahead and start filling out your database. So first add the book name, the number of pages that the book has, and then I'm going to add my bookmark. So let's say I'm currently at page 28. And that's it. Now you're able to see your progress bar right next to your books or whatever it is that you want to track. Hope that helps.